So I'm moving with Marshall, but he's not moving till January. I'm moving right now though, which this video might have come out immediately or even in the month that I recorded this, but I thought I'd record the whole process. We're gonna be using that place a lot more to record, especially with Marshall around, and we'll have a little podcast corner and we'll have like a little recording studio as well. Alright, let me interrupt real quick. Hello everyone, this is me. My name is Azulvia. I'm a musician / artist here in Tucson, Arizona, and also a member of Quiet the Storm. So this might sound familiar if you've heard our podcast or seen any of our videos, and this would just be an extension of that. I had projects in the works for a while, a lot of guitars and just side projects on top of doing my own personal streams. We also use the band page to stream, so subscribe if you want to see even more behind the scenes, because I'm going to be doing vlogs, videos, streams, just extra content on top of the Quiet the Storm content that we're already making. Alright, now on to me moving. Right now I need to move all my stuff, and I'll just show you a little bit of my things that I'm packing and unpacking. Oh bitch, it just reset. I'm having computer issues, keeps resetting itself. This old girl's mainly what I use, made out of donated parts. Even this case was donated. Shout out to Junior.
You trying to get before and after of how it's going to transform?
Yeah, I wanted to start this sooner. I wanted to like even record us. I wanted to record us taking shit out too, but I could record how the room looks right now.
That wasn't there.